Hey, driven back again with another video. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button. Turn your post notifications on so you always notified every time I upload a video. And if you are a return subscriber, what's up? I know y'all probably like, D, the last couple of videos you had the same thing on. That's because it's the same day, okay? So currently it is 4:59. And today, as y'all can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a spend the night with me. It's not going to be like a routine video because we don't do the same thing every single day. So y'all just gonna come spend the night with us because why not, okay? So right now, we're about to go and get the boys from school, well, after school or whatever. And then we're going to head to soccer practice because today is Monday. And Kaden has soccer practice on Mondays and Wednesdays. So yeah, once we get the boys, I'll see y'all.
Ready for the ball. You are ready. Ready for get chaotic, bro.
I'm not missing court. I want to sit the grass.
You can't stop. He's trying to wait till they get out the way.
Mama.
Mm.
Okay. Damn good.
No, it need to be like a curved line. Trace that one again so you know how it's supposed to be. I tell you, I'm so damn tired.
I know you are. Cause recording? Recording or your day was just long?
Everything in general.
Everything okay though?
Yeah.
Nothing you want to talk about? Okay.
I'm in the bathroom because I'm tired. I just finished helping Kaden with his homework. Kyler is in the tub, which my boyfriend got him. Kaden is gonna wash after Kyler get out. I don't even know what time it is. I think it's like 7. It's like 7 something. Either way, I'm about to get in the shower, and then because it's like dark outside, like stormy dark. So yeah, I'm about to get in the shower, hop in, hop out, because yeah, if you know, you know you ain't supposed to be around water when it's lightning or storming outside. But my hair is a hot mess, and y'all, yeah, we just gonna leave it at that. I'm about to get in the shower, and I'll see y'all once I get out. Y'all, this is what it look like outside. Hold on, if I could show y'all the sky. Look at the sky. That's how it look outside. It's a lot more darker in person. I'm not gonna show me in the shower because y'all, it's a lot of work when I do like them shower routines and stuff like that. So I'm just going to show y'all like the products that I'm using tonight, which I'm probably going to use because today was a long day and I was outside because Kaden had practice. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this right here. I'm gonna use my Dove bar soap, and then I'm also going to use this one, or no, I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use this, and then my Dove bar soap. So yeah, I'll see y'all once I get out of the shower. Okay, y'all, so I am out the shower or whatever, and this is what it look like. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like outside. Oh, it's raining. What do this one? Thought somebody was coming behind me. It look cool, but I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. Y'all, this is what the sky look like. It's like a real, like a little mood to take a walk, you know, go on a walk or whatever. But it's raining and everybody done had their bath, so yeah. But look at this bird, y'all. Look at that bird up there asleep. I hope it's asleep. You see that bird up there?
Huh?
You see that bird?
No. What is it?
A bird.
Where? Right there?
Yeah.
Oh! There's only one now.
Yeah, it flew away. Oh, look at it. You see it?
Wait, I dig it.
They left.
I missed.
Alright, so I'm warming up the food from last night. Teriyaki chicken and broccoli. And then this is what the boys want, y'all. They want ramen noodles, so yeah. Alright. Spell way.
W-A-Y.
Well.
W-E-L-L.
Went.
W-E-N-T.
Where.
W. Where what?
Where. Mhm.
Where are we?
Mhm.
W.
Mhm.
What? E.
Where.
I need time to look at it.
Okay. Spell wheel.
W-I-L-L.
Wood.
W-O. Would. Would I do it?
Yeah.
W-O?
Mhm.
I don't know. I need time to look at it as well.
Okay. Well, you gotta practice where.
Oh,
W-H-E-R-E and wood. W-O-U-L.
dang it.
Your test Thursday. You got time. I'm gonna test you one more time before you go to sleep.
Yeah. If God didn't have...
You mean sweat like when you hot and sweat? Yeah, I think everybody. I don't know. Some people may not sweat.
Yeah, and some people are sometimes people some people have different allergies,
Mm-hmm.
and some people don't sweat, and some people play different practices.
Mm-hmm. That means everybody is not the what?
Same.
And everybody is.
Different.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody's different.
Everybody does their own thing.
In their own practice.
Mm-hmm.
And after when it's my last day of school and soccer, when soccer's over, when it's my last day, I want to do
What's that? What's that?
football. Football.
Football. It's too late to play football now.
No, I'm saying I want to play when soccer's over.
Damn, Zeus, you too cool, bro. What you do?
People know. Yeah, a lot of people. That was crazy.
Go ahead.
Yeah, got me some. I ain't fussing yesterday. I'm a fuck sign.